Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA TS3750i. What I want to do is to show you how to scan documents from this printer to your mobile phone. Open up the glass scanner. First of all, you need to make sure your mobile device and printer are connected to the same network, and we connected this together using Canon Print app, and this is the app here. From this app you can print documents, you can print photo, you can scan, smart copy, cloud. So what you want to do is to scan document. So open up the scanner and stick the document that you want to scan face down. Make sure the document starts from your left side, then close the cover. From the app you select scan, then settings, select change setting, data format, change it to PDF, JPG is photo, original type, you select original type, document. If you are scanning photo, then you select photo is currently in document, then you go back. Color mode is in color. If you want to scan black, then you select grayscale is currently in color. Original size is A4. So if you are scanning any other document format, card, landscape, portrait, 4x6, then you select on it from this list. It's currently in A4. Then you go back, then select scan. This is the document we scanned. You can see what it looks like. If you want to scan second document, open up the glass scanner and stick the document that you want to scan again face down, then select scan again. So you can do this as many as you like, and when you finish, then you select exit. File is saved, then you select OK. This is the document we scanned, 2 pages, and these are the original one, this one and this. Now this document is saved. If you want to print it out or share this document, then you select this icon, select the share icon. Once you select it, it gives you option for you to send this document via various platforms. So you can send it to email, Bluetooth, etc. Now what you want to do is you want to print this document out, then you scroll down and look for Canon Print app. So select Canon Print app from the list. Once you select Canon Print app, do you want to use this printer, then you select yes. So it will show you the printer within the environment. Then you select, so the document, this is the preview, then you select next. You select how many copies you want to print all, or you can print current page or select particular page. We have 2 documents here, so we want to print all, then you select OK. Then from the print setting, you can change the setting, select how many copies by selecting change the settings. If you want to print more than 1, you select number 1 and scroll down and select how many copies you want. It's currently 1. Then also print with paper that is set in the printer. Paper size is A4, same as original. Media type plain paper. Color mode color. 2-sided is same place, which is single page. Then you go back, then select print. Printing is completed, then you select OK. So these are ways to scan documents. This is how to scan document on this printer, then print out the document, and also it will ask you delete the conversion result, then you select yes, then you go back to the app, and the app is ready. So if you want to see the document that is saved, then you need to go to your file, go to documents, and when you go to document, it will be the first one on the list. You tap on it, it will show you the date and the time. So this is the document. This is the document we scanned, save it on this mobile phone, and also we printed it out. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.